On 5, an unusual paternity battle is underway in St. Lucie County. The biological father is fighting for paternal rights over his now 3-year-old son. But a Florida law says since the child's mother was married to another man when she had her child, her new husband, is the legal father. Well, today a judge heard testimony from witnesses in the case, and News Channel 5's Michelle Casada live with what he will have to consider. Michelle.
Michael, on top of listening to testimony from both parties, the judge will have to weigh opinions from a court-appointed guardian ad litem whose primary task was to interview both families and decide what's in the best interest of the child. In court, John Karpinski got a glimpse of what his 3-year-old son's life has been like while he's been fighting through the courts for paternal rights.
He has a whole litany of toys on the side of the bathtub. He was an exuberant, energetic child.
While listening to a court-appointed guardian reveal what she observed at the boy's home with his mother and legal father, Karpinski was not angry.
At least I know he's well taken care of at the moment. Obviously, he's been there with them while they've kept him away from me, so I really am not a part of his life, but not by my choice.
A Florida law says Karpinski has no paternal rights because his son was born while the child's mother was married to another man, and that child then belongs to that marriage.
We're here today because what has been pled in Mr. Karpinski's petition is not what is the reality of this case. This child has no idea who he is.
The court-appointed guardian told the judge during her visit she observed the boy's strong bond with his legal father.
The child wanted to be around Mr. Greco. He screamed, "Dada." He asked Mr. Greco to sit on the bed with him while he showed me his Legos.
Karpinski argues there's no reason why his son can't have two dads.
I believe that if he were offered the opportunity to see the child today, he would take it, which is why I believe he's here.
The court-appointed guardian recommended that the judge not interrupt the child's intact family, but she also said she would have hoped both parties would come to an agreement. Now, the judge still has to listen to testimony from witnesses, including Mr. Karpinski and the child's mother, before he decides whether or not to issue a DNA test to go ahead and issue those paternal rights. Reporting live in Fort Pierce tonight, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.